All right, so it's 4 o'clock. I got sidetracked inside and tied up doing, stuff. Actually, sales taxes for Arizona. I have to collect them and I have to pay them every month. That's the joy of being in business. So I didn't get back out here to do anything. I think I'll take just a few minutes, take this chain and sprocket off, and probably just call it a day. I'll let you watch if you want. All right, let's see. Take this safety lock off. Take the safety lock off. All right. Nothing's ever easy. And there it goes. Oh, gosh. Nothing's ever easy. Well, I can't get it here. I'm going to take it to the back of the wheel. See if I can do it better back here. This is a bike of firsts for me. I've never seen primary as nasty as I did. I've never had as much trouble doing a master link as I am. Let's see if I can somehow get it to break free. Okay, now then. And there it goes. Whoa. And now. Okay, good. How long does it take to take a chain off? Oh, 5-minute job. All right, I'm done for the day. Dog is in there saying, I want to be fed. So I'm going to call it done. All right, well here's the sprocket. It is a 20 tooth, and the teeth are fish hooked. It actually is worn. That's interesting. Okay, by the way, just in case you're curious, yes, I do have a chain breaker. And by the way, I have two of them. So yeah, I got chain breakers.